Hit the Bunk, Unpacking Slang in English. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might have you scratching your head, hit the bunk. It's a piece of English slang that's as quirky as it is useful. So, if you're ready to expand your idiomatic vocabulary, let's get started. When someone says they're going to hit the bunk, they don't mean they're going to literally strike a bed. It's a colloquial way of saying they're going to sleep. The bunk refers to a type of bed, commonly a narrow one stacked on top of another. Think of sleeping quarters in a ship or a hostel. The expression, hit the bunk, has its roots in nautical and military language, where bunks are common. Over time, it sailed into everyday language, and now it's used by people from all walks of life. Understanding where phrases come from can really help us get a feel for their meaning and usage. Hit the bunk is informal, so it's best used in casual conversation or writing. You might tell a friend, "I've had a long day, I'm going to hit the bunk early tonight." It's not appropriate for formal situations, but it's a great way to sound native and relaxed in informal settings. Let's see hit the bunk in action. After the movie ended, we were all so tired we just decided to hit the bunk. She hit the bunk as soon as she got home from the hike. These examples show how the phrase can be flexibly used in various sentences. And that's a wrap on Hit the Bunk. We hope you're now confident to use this phrase in your daily conversations to add that authentic English flair. Until our next linguistic adventure, happy learning and don't forget to hit the bunk when you need some rest. Goodbye, and sweet dreams.